Congrats! You're getting a new septic tank. Whether a septic newbie or an experienced owner, here's what you can expect. 7 ways to prepare for a septic installation. Number 1. Review what are your water needs. Your tank's size depends on the number of people, household needs, and size of your home. A typical residential tank ranges from 750 to 1,250 gallons. Make sure your septic company knows all about your household before the installation. If you're a commercial building, make sure you communicate your needs based on potential tenants. Number 2. What is your budget? Don't get surprised by the bill. Talk with your septic technician prior to the installation about your budget. Number 3. Know the regulations. The Department of Health regulates septic installations. In Florida, you're provided an application along with a list of fees and requirements. This process helps determine the location of your tank and feasibility. Number 4. Consider location and landscaping. The best spot for your new septic is away from large plants and trees. It should also be flat and have plenty of drainage. Know where your system is going to be so there are no surprises. Number 5. Make a plan for your family during installation. Generally, during installation, your household will be without water for a few days. Make sure to plan ahead. And make sure your family is prepared and comfortable. Number 6. Learn basic septic system maintenance. Septic systems are different than sewer systems. They have their own set of do not flush rules and maintenance tips. Familiarize yourself with those rules and maintenance timelines before the installation. Number 7. Ask any questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Make a list even. A good septic company will take the time to walk you through the process. Advanced Septic Services of Florida is here to help you. In need of a new system or have a septic question? Call us today at 352-242-6100.